Hello, savvy property home buyers. Today, on this sunny day, I bring to you this four-bedroom terrace duplexes in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. These terraces come with the governor's consent and a building approval, and is presently on the market for 125 million naira. You can see, guys, that it's a corner piece. So what you can do, in case you want to make it, have your own gate and all, is that you can cordon this place off. You can have your own space, cordon this place off and make it your own, because as you can see, you will be the last person on the terrace. You see, there's going to be a gate here. Okay, this one here and this one's here is the same developer, but there's going to be a gate here that demarcates the other side from here. These are self-gated terraces, but guys, these terraces are so beautiful. It's like I said, it's 4-bedroom, going for 125 million naira. You can see how wide it is. Let me take you round, and then there's still space here. The fact that it's a corner piece is even a joy, because you have space to yourself. You can have your 2 cars conveniently parking here. Then you can also have 2 cars here that will park conveniently, and nobody's disturbing you and everything. It's a really good place. So let me take you round this particular terrace. I'm excited about it because I'm sure for those looking for an affordable house and everything, this is just right. This is the back door actually. Then this is where the water reservoir is going to be. Then this is the back of your own unit. Then this is the BQ. This is the BQ that comes with a shower and a toilet right here. And this is your small space, and a tap is going to be right here to do whatever you deem to do, right? So this is the compound space. You have compound space at the side. Like I said, it's a corner piece, so there's compound space at the side. So it's an illusion of like a semi-detached house. That's what you'll be having in this 4-bedroom house for sale in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So this is the staircase that leads up to that. But before that, I will show you from top to bottom of this beautiful terraces. So here it is, from top to bottom, right? It's a beautiful terrace, no doubt about it. So the 2 cars can community park here. Then this space as well will be utilized very well. So let me take you right into the living room. And you can see that the living room is big. It's a big living room. For a terrace, it's a big living room. So that's the chandelier there. You can have your dining right here, at the side. This is your guest toilet right here. This is your guest toilet here. The toilet and the sink, right? So this is the guest room. Guest room here, but it's pretty much the same size as maybe slightly smaller than the sizes upstairs. And this is your kitchen. This is that door that was supposed to lead outside. They come in through there. So this is the door that leads outside, right? And it's a fitted kitchen. So this is where your washing machine or your dishwasher will be. There's an AC plant there. The lights up there. Then storage spaces all around. Then heat extractor, gas cooker, more storage space at the bottom. Yeah. Then there's the oven and the microwave. So these are the storage spaces here. Yeah, the storage spaces here and all. So let's go right upstairs now. So this is the staircase that leads upstairs. I'm sorry we're not able to turn on the light, but I just needed to show you guys this find of mine. So this is the family lounge here. And this is one of the rooms upstairs. So the room downstairs is slightly, like about the same size with this one. So that's the wardrobe space here. Then this is the shower, toilets, and the sink right there. Then this is a small place where you can keep your shoes, and all. So let me start at the vantage point and show you the size. So this is the size of the room. Then there's another room here. These are the switches. Another room here. Pretty much the same thing, right? So the drawer space, the AC plates, and in case you need to put a TV in your room, that's the space for it there. Then here again, shoes, like I said. So this is your shower cubicle, the toilet, and the sink, right? So like I did at the other room, I'll stand at this point and show you the size of the room. Like I said, pretty much the same thing. This is what your console will be, and there's light up there, light here as well. Then there'll be the AC plate is right there. So this is the master's bedroom. It's obviously always bigger than every other room. So this is your glass, you have a balcony here. The benefits of having your corner piece. So this is the walk-in closet. It's a corner piece, so it's obviously bigger than the other units, right? So this is your shower cubicle, your toilet, and your sink, right? So enough storage space for all your clothes, your shoes, your bags, and all that. So this is where the console will be. Then there's the AC plates, then the chandelier up there, right? So this is a tour of a 4-bedroom terrace corner piece unit, presently in the market for 125 million naira, and that's asking actually, so we can still beat it down. So if you have that sort of amount of money in your account and you've just been looking for a corner piece terrace that you can actually customize to just be you in the compound, then call this number on the caption of this video and I will give you a seamless purchase experience. My name is Antonia, your irresistible lady realtor. Thank you for always watching, liking, sharing, commenting on my videos. It makes us get better. Thank you. Till my next video, it is bye for now. I love you all.